I think one of the things that really gets to people when they are separating, the biggest complaint I hear is that that person didn't appreciate me. They didn't appreciate the home I made, how hard I worked, um, the children I had, the sacrifices that I made to give you a good life. It's so upsetting when we don't feel appreciated by our ex-partner or our partner. And I wonder if in human relationships, if there's another way to talk about not feeling appreciated that could be heard other than, and at the time, shutting down, nagging, um, feeling disconnected. I wonder if there's another way to talk about not being appreciated. And it comes back to one of these things about if you've been in a relationship where you didn't feel appreciated and you're trying to heal from that. I think one of the places and ways to do that is to start really having gratitude and seeing the strengths in yourself and reminding yourself of those, because in a way we have to recreate our value, especially if we bought into it, if we were silent in it, or even if we were angry in it. We have to really start bringing back our own value and reminding ourselves of our value to ourselves. I love this exercise of just of gratitude, of trying to remember to have joy in most moments that are difficult. That even if there's something that's really stressful, like you have a stressful work day, that you can have a part of your day that is enjoyable. And so I try to remember that myself in my days sometimes when I'm feeling stressed, because I'm around sometimes a lot of stressed people who are stressed and having a hard time, and it's easy to take it in. To actually, when I start feeling that feeling really intensely, is to take a break, to go outside, to notice the breeze, to take a walk, to move my body. It's so important to get back to, I don't have to feel this way. I have a choice about that. So the practice of like doing gratitudes, maybe at the beginning of your day and at the end of the day. And let's just say you get to pull it off once. It's okay. It doesn't have to be big. It could be words, 5 words, you know, clean house. Maybe that's 2 words. Um, Exercised, good food, um, great conversation, those kinds of things. It can remind you that there's these other parts of life that that you can strengthen your focus on those.